We can't stand it when our bus is hot, so that's exactly what we're here today to fix.
We're at Magne Shade headquarters here in Mocksville, North Carolina. They actually have 2 locations that I didn't realize, one here and one over in Raleigh. And Magne Shade has come up with a product to help keep your motorhome cool. For those of you that don't know, it's a shade that goes on your front window and your side windows. And it will knock down the heat in the front of your coach anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees, which is huge when it's super hot. Because if you think about it, in the front of our coach, it's all these ginormous glass windows and the heat just beats in there. So no matter how much your blinds are down and you know, it makes it darker, it doesn't help keep the heat out. So we're excited to have this installed, and on top of that, we have a surprise to share with you guys. We did a custom graphics and you're gonna love it.
I just walked out of the bus and this is the first time that I'm seeing these Magne Shades. It feels so cool to have these made. I'm so happy with what we have. We worked on this design for months. Sarah just kept tweaking it and tweaking it and tweaking it, and ultimately we pulled out like all of the stuff in the background and just made it really clean and simple, and I couldn't be happier. What do you think, buddy?
I love it. I think it'll make the bus look good.
It feels a little weird to put this on the front. It's definitely, I'm not into that kind of attention, so I feel a little funny about it, but hopefully it will just help people learn who we are and help us spread our message of hanging out as a family and traveling and just being more intentional.
I'm honestly blown by how good it looks. I didn't personally design it. I think it was actually my parents, and I just gotta say, good job to Mom and Dad.
They've got to install scaffolding so they can reach the top of the windshield easily. These 2 employees from Magne Shade were fantastic. They were with us the whole time. They've installed hundreds of shades. What we're doing now is we're going to do a dry fit. So we're going to put the Magne Shade on with the magnets on the inside and the outside, but they're not going to peel the little tape off so that way the sticky adhesive adheres to the windshield. Great news, it fit the first time. So these are the magnets. Now we're going to peel the sticky stuff off the back of it, kind of like a command strip, and let the adhesive bond to the windshield. Now see these red little clips at the top? Those are there so that someone doesn't have to stand for an hour while the adhesive adheres to the windshield. So 1 hour from now, we're going to see the finished results. Now it's the moment of truth as far as Jason is concerned. Can we install and uninstall the Magne Shades like the employee here who has done it hundreds of times, like I said before? So Jason's taking the Magne Shade off. Okay, that's the easy part. Now putting it back on, he's got to slide the rod in the pocket, and in the pocket is a magnet. When the magnet gets up in the corner of the windshield, then it adheres to the magnet on the inside, and it's a perfect fit again. So well done, Jason. We just have to tweak it a little bit, take it down, fold it up, and off we go.
Comment if you have a Magne Shade. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure.